Hello everyone, this is Professor Simi Rakshit, associated with Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Kolkata. This is the second video on cost of capital. In my previous video, I have already explained cost of irredeemable debt, and in this video, I am going to discuss about cost of redeemable debt. Let's see what is cost of redeemable debt. Redeemable debt are those which will be repaid to the suppliers of debt after a specific period, while irredeemable or perpetual debt is not repaid back the suppliers of debt. Only interest on this is paid regularly. A debenture or bond may be redeemable after a particular time period, which may be issued at par or at premium or at a discount. While calculating cost, flotation cost, that is underwriting commission, brokerage expense on issue of debenture, etc. is to be considered. So for calculating redeemable debt, we will consider flotation cost. So flotation cost means flotation cost refers those costs which are related to the issue of a debenture or a bond, like underwriting commission, brokerage expenses. Now, symbolically, cost of redeemable debt can be calculated using the following formula. So, this is the formula. In this formula, we can see there are some unknown terms where I is equals to annual interest payment, RP is equals to redeemable price, IP is equals to issue price after considering flotation cost. That means after considering means here after deducting flotation cost, and T is tax rate. We have just learned the formula for calculating cost of redeemable debt. Now I am going to explain numericals and the solution process for calculating cost of redeemable debt. So let's see. So here you can see numericals. In this numerical there are some information. Here debenture is 12%, means here the interest amount is 12% on this particular debenture. Total value of this debenture is 2 lakh and it will be redeemable after 8 years. So this is a redeemable debenture. Underwriting commission is 2% on issue price. So underwriting commission is a part of flotation cost. Now the next one is here. Uh, next means here there are different situations are given. So the first one is at par at 10% premium and 10% discount. Assuming tax rate is 40%. Now I will start the solution. So here first of all we will calculate the cost of redeemable debt under if under the first condition, means when it is issued at par. So this is the formula. In this formula, I is here annual interest payment. So first of all, we will calculate annual interest payment. Annual interest payment is 24,000. So by multiplying the total value of redeemable debenture with 12% interest, we can calculate annual interest payment. Next one is RP. RP is redeemable price. So the total value of this redeemable debenture is 2 lakh. So redeemable price is 2 lakh. Next IP. IP is issued price. So here the debenture is issued at par, means here the debenture will not be issued at overvalue or at undervalue. So that's why we can take the total value of debenture, which is 2 lakh, and obviously we will deduct the flotation cost. So flotation cost is 2%. That means 98% of 2 lakh will be the IP, means issued price, which is 1,96,000. Now the next one is here T. T is the tax rate. Tax rate is already mentioned, which is 40%, means 0.4, and N is the number of years. So the total time period is also given, which is T. Now we will put this value in the actual formula, and after putting the value we will get the answer, and the answer will be 7.42%. So 7.42%, this is the cost of redeemable debt when it is issued at par. Now I will solve the second part, means when the debenture will be issued at 10% premium. So formula is the same, and I is here 24,000, same as previous one. Then RP is redeemable price. This will be same. This will be 2 lakh. The next one, IP will be changed because here we will issue this debenture as 10% premium, means that overvalued. So first of all, we will calculate this 10% on 2 lakh, and then we will deduct the flotation cost, which is 2%. That means we will deduct the means we will multiply this with 98% because this is 2%, and then we can easily get the value of IP, means issued price, which is 2,15,600. Next one is T. T is here 40%, means 0.4, and N is 8 years. Now we will put this value in this formula, and after putting the value we will get the accurate result, and the result is 6.37%. That means here the cost of redeemable debt when it is issued at 10% premium will be 6.37%. Now the next condition is when the debenture will be issued as 10% discount. Now first of all we will write the formula, and then we will calculate I is same 24,000. RP is also same, which is 2 lakh. Then IP will be changed because here the debenture is issued at 10% discount. So that's why we will deduct 10% from 2 lakh, and flotation cost is 2%, means flotation cost means here the underwriting commission is 2%. That's why we will multiply this with 98%, and the answer will be for IP. It's 1,76,400. The next one is T. T is 40%, means 0.4, and N is 8 years. Now we will put this value in this formula, and ultimately we will get the answer, which is 8.59. So this 8.59 is the cost of redeemable debt when it is issued at 10% discount. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.